To connect Printify to Shopify in 2025, start by creating a Printify account and a Shopify store if you haven't already. Printify is a print-on-demand service that allows you to design and sell custom products without holding any inventory. Shopify is a popular e-commerce platform that enables you to create an online store and sell products to customers worldwide. First, log into your Printify account and navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Add New Store button and select Shopify from the list of available platforms. You will be redirected to the Shopify App Store where you need to install the Printify app. Click the Add App button to install the app and follow the prompts to authorize Printify to access your Shopify store. Once the app is installed, you will be redirected back to your Printify dashboard. Click on the Connect to Shopify button to establish the connection between your Printify account and your Shopify store. You will be asked to enter your Shopify store URL and authorize Printify to access your store. After connecting your Shopify store to Printify, you can start adding products to your store. Printify offers a wide range of products that you can customize with your designs, including t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and phone cases. To add a product, navigate to the Printify dashboard and click on the Add New Product button. Select the product type and design it using the Printify design tool. Once you have designed your product, click the Add to Store button to add it to your Shopify store. The product will be synced with your Shopify store and will be available for customers to purchase. When a customer places an order, Printify will automatically fulfill the order and ship the product to the customer. To ensure seamless integration, make sure to configure your Shopify store settings correctly. Set up your payment and shipping options to reflect the options offered by Printify. You can also customize your product pricing and descriptions to match your brand and marketing strategy. By following these steps, you can easily connect Printify to Shopify and start selling custom products to your customers. The Printify Shopify integration allows you to automate the production and shipping process, saving you time and effort. With Printify and Shopify, you can focus on marketing and growing your business while leaving the fulfillment process to Printify.